Wow! Catherine's jaw-dropping gifts since embracing her incredible new role have royal fans speechless. Since stepping into her royal role, Princess Catherine has received extraordinary gifts that have left fans in awe. From Princess Diana's iconic 12-carat sapphire engagement ring, valued at over $300,000, to Amahel, a grand estate gifted by Queen Elizabeth II. These presents reflect her esteemed place in the monarchy. King Charles bestowed Art Deco diamond jewelry, while Queen Camilla gifted a personalized gold charm bracelet. These treasures, alongside honors like the Dame Grand Cross, symbolize the deep admiration and love Catherine has earned.